Hey fellow scratchers, welcome to my channel Passion Coders. Wait. Do you have a question in your mind that why I have changed my name to Passion Coders to Science Tutorials to Passion Coders? Yes, I think you have this question in your mind. If you have think for the kind information that due to some YouTube problem, I have to change my name to Passion Coders from Science Scratch Tutorials. So why I have changed? I will tell you. One day a subscriber told me that my channel was not coming in search. First I not believed it. Then I also searched my channel in search from my different accounts. Then I have seen them. That's true. My channel was not coming in search. So I have mailed to YouTube that why it is not coming. The YouTube told that you have some problem in signing up. So I have also seen that there is some problem signing up, but after that also my channel was not coming in search. So I have again mailed to YouTube that why it is not coming. Then YouTube told that you can once you change your name from Science Quest Tutorials to another name. Then okay. Then I have agreed. Then I have changed my name to Science Quest Tutorials to Passion Coder. Then after next day, I have seen that my channel was coming in search. Then I was very happy and helpful. So how is my name of my channel new? If you then comment if you like my name, then comment in the comment box a cool name. Yes. So that is the informative video of my channels. So due to some you will say due to some days I was not sending some videos because I was in a trip, and also now I am a trip. But for your just kind information, I have uploaded this video. So that's the end, and wait for my new video of our episode 2 of our Coderz classic platformer series. So until bye.